hi. Here we are in the garden. Whoa, did you get a good place to sit? You made the rock wet. You've been playing in the water, haven't you? Yes, that's a good thing to do on a hot summer day. To play in the water, Yeah. Some women get depressed after they give birth. That's called postpartum depression. It can be very severe and it can be very frightening for a mother. We tend to think of mothers as immediately loving their babies. It's just not always the case. Some mothers see the baby and actually recoil in fear. How can I take care of it? How can this tiny little thing, how can I treat it well enough? How can I see to it that it gets everything that it needs? And for some women, this spirals them down into a dark and a deep place, a place of confusion, a place where they can't quite see the way to do what they need to do. We call this depression. It's a different kind of depression than we experience at other times in our life. But I will say that my across-the-board remedy for depression would still work, and that is spend a day with baby goats. It's very difficult to be depressed when you see the joy on baby goats' faces. Well, I understand. Not everyone can do that. What else can we do? Well, let me remind you that drinking your nourishing herbal infusions is a great way to prevent postpartum depression in the first place. We actually think that postpartum depression may come about because there's not enough minerals in the brain to keep the brain chemicals and the hormones that were made during and right after pregnancy at their full effective force and to leave enough for the woman to feel good. So remember to drink your Oatstraw infusion, especially. Oatstraw is one that definitely can make you feel better, and your red clover infusion as well. For women who need a little more help than that, motherwort tincture has a wonderful reputation, and I've heard quite a few women tell me that when they feel that anxiety about, am I going to be a good enough mother, can I do this? 5 to 10 drops of motherwort tincture taken in a little bit of water just eases that anxiety away. Other women absolutely adore lemon balm and feel that lemon balm tincture or lemon balm tea is exactly what they need to make themselves feel less anxious and less depressed. Of course, you've heard of the big antidepressive herb, and that's Hypericum perforatum. My friend, St. John's wort, that some people call St. John's wort. If a woman is feeling seriously depressed, she can certainly take any amount of St. John's wort tincture, but never take it in capsules. The tincture is just fine, will not have a negative effect on the baby. These are just a few of the ways that we can help ourselves with herbal medicine, people's medicine. This is Susun Weed, wishing you green blessings.
Hey, Monica Jean.
Big